What are you doing, Lulu? Do what you're doing. Where are you going? Where are you going, Lulu? What are you doing? Lulu. Oh, there you go. Where are you going, Lulu? Where are you going? Lauren. Good job. Yeah, good job. Come over here. You can do it. Come over. Come on. Come on. Daddy would go help her.
Yeah.
You gotta figure out the forward. You can do it, sweetie.
Come on.
It's a little bit harder for her to go forward. Lulu's go forward. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl, Lulu. Lauren. Yay. Yay.
Zoe, get off.
Oh, where are you going? Are you going backwards? What you doing? What you doing, girl? What you doing? Yay! Hi, honey. Hi. Okay, remember, go forward. Remember, you can walk forward. Good girl. You could do it. You go backwards instead. It's easier to go backwards, huh? Oh, it's harder on the carpet, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Good girl, Lulu. See your feet. Hi, it's your feet. Hi.
I'll figure something out.
Are you dancing? Want to dance? Dance. What's he doing? Good girl, Lulu.
Not personally. Well, do you have a word limit that you have to hit every day?
Yay! Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Good girl, sweetie. Love you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.